Most people don't realize their daily habits are quietly keeping them broke. It's not always the big mistakes like buying a luxury car or gambling away savings. More often, it's the small, everyday choices that drain wealth over time. In this video, we'll explore 30 common money habits that sabotage financial freedom, and more importantly, how to fix them. If you recognize even a few of these, don't worry. Changing them today can completely transform your financial life. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. Let's dive in. Impulse buying. Impulse buying feels harmless. You see something online, click Add to Cart, and it arrives at your doorstep. But those small purchases add up to thousands every year. The fix is simple. Screenshot items you want and revisit them later. Most of the time, you'll forget about them, and that's money saved. This habit alone can stop hundreds of dollars from leaking out of your budget each month. Subscription creep. Streaming services, apps, memberships, they pile up quietly. Paying for 5 platforms at once is subscription creep. Instead, rotate them monthly. Watch Netflix this month, cancel, then switch to Disney Plus next month. You'll still enjoy all the shows, but you'll save hundreds annually. It's about being intentional, not deprived. Food delivery. Reliance ordering food daily feels convenient, but it drains thousands a year. Cooking at home or meal prepping saves money and improves health. Reserve delivery for special occasions, not daily convenience. Over a decade, this one change could save tens of thousands. Lifestyle inflation. Every time your income rises, do you upgrade your lifestyle? That's lifestyle inflation. Instead of spending more, keep expenses steady and invest the difference. Wealth grows when your spending doesn't rise with your paycheck. The rich aren't rich because they spend more, they re-rich because they invest more. Ignoring compound interest waiting to invest is the biggest mistake. Even small amounts invested early multiply massively over decades. Time is your greatest asset. Start now, even with $50 a month, and watch compounding turn small savings into big wealth. Not tracking small expenses, coffee, snacks, ride shares, they seem small, but add up to thousands yearly. Track every expense for 1 month. You'll be shocked at where your money goes. Awareness is the first step to control. Credit card minimum payments, paying only the minimum, keeps you in debt forever. Interest piles up, and you end up paying double for everything. Always pay in full to avoid debt traps. If you can't, cut spending until you can. Chasing status symbols, luxury cars, watches, designer clothes, they look rich but make you broke. Real wealth is quiet. Focus on assets, not appearances. The people flaunting wealth often have none. Holiday spending pressure. Don't buy just because it's the season. Corporations thrive on holiday consumerism. Set a budget before holidays and stick to it. Gifts don't need to be expensive to be meaningful. Ignoring emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, one crisis can wipe you out. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate account. It's your financial safety net, protecting you from debt when life happens. Buy now, pay later traps. BNPL feels easy, but it's hidden debt. Avoid splitting payments unless absolutely necessary. If you can't afford it now, don't buy it. Debt disguised as convenience is still debt. Not negotiating bills, internet, insurance, phone plans. These are negotiable. Call providers once a year and ask for discounts. You'll be surprised how much you save. Companies often lower rates just to keep you unused. Gym memberships. Unused memberships are wasted money. Cancel them or switch to pay per visit gyms. Fitness should build your health, not drain your wallet. Don't pay for guilt. Justifying purchases, convincing yourself that spending equals saving is broke behavior. Redirect that money into investments instead of excuses. Math doesn't lie. Spending is spending. Not automating savings, relying on willpower doesn't work. Automate transfers to savings or investments. When money moves automatically, you build wealth without thinking. Systems beat discipline. Ignoring employer match, not contributing enough to get your employer's retirement match, is leaving free money on the table. Always contribute at least to the match. It's the easiest wealth you'll ever build. Buying new instead of used cars, furniture, tech. Buying new costs more and loses value fast. Buy gently used and save thousands. Depreciation is a silent thief. Not reading contracts, hidden fees and leases, loans or subscriptions can trap you. Always read the fine print before signing. A few minutes of attention can save years of regret. Over-reliance on Social Security checks are too small to live on. Build your own retirement plan early with IRAs, 401ks, or investments. Don't rely on a system that may not support you. Ignoring side hustles relying only on one income stream is risky. Start a side hustle, freelancing, tutoring, or digital products. Extra income accelerates wealth and protects against job loss. Not budgeting, irregular expenses, car repairs, medical bills, annual fees. These surprise costs wreck budgets. Plan for them by setting aside a small monthly amount. Preparation prevents panic. Falling for influencer lifestyles, most influencers flaunting wealth are broke behind the scenes. Don't copy their spending, build your own quiet wealth instead. Real success doesn't need validation. Not tracking net worth income alone doesn't show financial health. Track your net worth assets minus liabilities. That's the real measure of progress. Growth is about what you keep, not what you earn. Paying high bank fees, monthly maintenance fees, overdraft charges, they eat away at savings. Switch to lo-fi or online banks. Don't pay for access to your own money. Ignoring insurance needs, skipping insurance saves money short-term, but risks disaster. Health, life, and property insurance protect your wealth. One accident can erase years of savings. Not learning about taxes, missing deductions, or credits costs thousands. Learn basic tax strategies or consult a professional. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you can control. Overspending on tech upgrades, buying the newest phone or laptop every year is wasteful. Upgrade only when necessary. Technology depreciates fast, and your old device often works fine. Not using libraries or free resources, buying books, courses, or software when free versions exist wastes money. Libraries and open resources save thousands. Knowledge doesn't have to be expensive. Ignoring housing hacks, roommates, or living with parents temporarily can save $15,000, $30,000 annually. Don't see it as failure, see it as strategy. Housing is your biggest expense. Optimize it. Investing in yourself is the smartest move you can make. Skills, education, and health are where it's at. Spend your cash on learning and self-improvement, and trust me, the benefits last forever and grow just like your money does.